Hi and welcome to my Satisfactory video. Satisfactory looks beautiful every time I open this game. In today's video, we are going to see another blueprint. This is a high-speed connector blueprint where we input the following: 12.6 raw quartz, 21 limestone, 36 caterium or an 8.8 copper ore. The building graphics in Satisfactory looks beautiful. Now let's look at the input side of this blueprint. Here we have the raw quartz input. For one blueprint we send 12.6 raw quartz per minute. And here we have limestone input, where we send 21 limestone per minute. Easy way to send inputs and get outputs at the same place. Here we have last two inputs at the third level of this blueprint. This input is for caterium taking in 36 caterium per minute. And this input is for copper ore taking in 8.8 copper ore per minute. And we have our one power connector which needs to be connected to power supply. Now we have output where we get two high-speed connectors per minute. Now to the connecting part of our blueprint, where we connect multiple blueprints together. This is where we connect to the next blueprint using a Mark IV belt. This is for caterium and copper ore. Now this where we connect the two inputs of raw quartz and limestone. We also connect one output line for our two high-speed connectors including power to our next blueprint. Now to explain our blueprint, we will get inside and see how we built this. This is not a beautiful blueprint, but a working blueprint. Here we have 3 assemblers in the bottom floor, out of which 2 of them are making silica running at 56% each. Together they are making 29.4 silica per minute. The resources are fed to these 2 assemblers from our input to this blueprint. One is raw quartz and another is limestone. The outputs of these 2 assemblers are then merged together making 29.4 silica and is fed to the third assembler. Part of this silica is fed to the third assembler making circuit boards, and the other is split and is sent to the above floor. The third assembler is taking 4.4 silica out of 29.4 silica we made and an input of 4.4 copper sheet to make 2 circuit boards per minute. The 4.4 copper sheet is made in this floor using a constructor. The same is being fed directly to the third assembler. This constructor takes in 8.8 copper ingots and make 4.4 copper sheets needed by the third assembler in making 2 circuit boards. The copper ingots is being fed from the third floor of this blueprint. Now the output of this third assembler making 2 circuit boards is then fed to the second floor as an input to the manufacturer. Now let's go to the third floor. This circuit board output from the below floor is inputted directly to the manufacturer. There are two things in this floor. One constructor making quick wire and one making our final product, which is high-speed connectors. The second input is coming from the bottom floor, which is our split silica from our first two assemblers in the floor below. As you can see, we are already feeding the 25 silica needed from the below floor, and the two circuit boards are also being fed from the below floor. The third and final input is our quick wire, which is made in the current floor and is inputted directly to this manufacturer. This constructor makes the 60 quick wire needed by the manufacturer. The 12 caterium ingots needed to make 60 quick wire is being fed from the third floor above us, similar to the copper ingots being fed in the below floor to make copper sheets. Now to the third and final floor of this blueprint. Here we get the two resources via the input given by us at the start of this video. They are caterium and copper. There are two buildings on this floor. This smelter is taking in 36 caterium ore and makes 12 caterium ingot. This is then fed as an input to the below floor, where we are making 60 quick wire per minute. This smelter is taking in 8.8 copper ore per minute and makes 8.8 copper ingots per minute. This is then fed to the bottom floor via the conveyor lift to a constructor, which is currently making 4.4 copper sheets per minute. A Mark II wall connector is used here to power these two buildings at the third floor. This is just the Mark II wall power which we saw now. We can ignore this as everything is connected internally. Thanks for sticking out till the end of this video. Love you guys. This blueprint is available for you guys in the description of this video. Please check it out. If you have any questions or queries, please leave a comment and I will reply as soon as I can. Also, let me know on how I can improve for my future videos in the comment section. That's my factory, which is still in progress. It has 4 floors in total, and I have recently started working on blueprints and now making this video to help you guys as well. This is my one-click factory making 25 circuit boards per minute. I will also leave a link to the video where I show you this blueprint, and is also available for you guys in the description. Thanks for watching. And leave a like if you like this video.